Hello!
It's Val!
This is Beaver!
Level 4.
We keep talking about like partnering and leading and following. And so first move we did was similar to the one we did last week, but we ended up on a different side.
Sneaky on the other side.
Yeah.
Hey.
Squishy. Yeah, there is a nice prep for the triple step turn there.
And then we worked on getting that feeling at the end with this simpler version. Rock, step, twist, twist, whoop, ba, ba, ba. You can also do it with this handhold if you like. I think that feels good too. Rock, zoop, ba,
You had homework.
Be there. Homework is to get to this moment. Rock, step, this moment somehow where you're here and you're like, you got this feeling, but you're on the ending feet. So you're not gonna go rock, step, we're doing the turn. Not from these feet, from these feet, this weird position. Get yourself there. Last week's homework was to start somewhere and then end a different way. This week's homework is to start some way and get to this specific place, that same finish. Good luck, gang.